by Mr. Nagak. Okay, we have Patrick. 2 minutes, 15 seconds to shoot. Attempt. 2 points by Patrick. 41-29. 1 minute and 52 seconds. We have Mr. Largo gihatag kang Gomera to 8 points. 31-41. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Okay, we have Patrick. Wala. Rebounded by Largo. 1 minute and 25 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. We have here Mr. Iman. Iman attempt. Giitsan na dito sa... Wala. Violation lang po to Mr. Dughon. 2 points. Substitution. Nagak pala yun. Jersey number 1. Ay 21. First is an foul. First team foul. Si Nagak pala ang naka 2 points.
Dugon. Kasi Pito.
Substitution. 1 point by Nagak. 44-31, 1 minute and 12 seconds. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. And then 3 points by Iman. 34-44, 55 seconds.
Relax kay Labaw.
Ipito to Mr. Dughon. 50 seconds, 15 seconds to shoot.
Tulad! Buong!
Let's go, Brad.
Yeah!
Traveling violation.
Klaro kayo!
Bukan mo dula ko na!
40 seconds. 2 points, Gomera. 36-44. 30 seconds. Patrick getting the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds to shoot. 2 points. No more shot clock. 46-36. 13 seconds. 10.
Ay, panganan!
5.
Pizza!
Time is over for the third quarter of this game with a score of 46-36.
Kasulod na ni po.
Okay. Fourth and final quarter of this game for the championship game. With a score of 36-46, and it's at 3 points by Iman. 39-46, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we have here Patrick. Patrick challenged by 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Si Mr. Dughon ay Nagak pala, nakuha ni Imar. Imar to Eric to Iman. Inyong kutsara, baliki to Iman. We have here Mr. Dablo. 15 seconds to shoot. To Mr. Amper. Wala. Nakuha ni Eric. Eric attempt. Wala, gyapon. 2 points by Gomera. By Amper. 46-41. Lamang 15 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Amper sa crease ulit. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. We have Gablo to Mr. Amper. 2 points Amper. 43. Okay. 43-46, 3 points na lang. 15 seconds to shoot. Ilog nila. 2 points. Ano to? Violation yun po. 15 seconds to shoot. 43. Ay, 46, 40. 15 seconds to shoot. 46 all. Naga. No good. $15 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Maynard.
Dalabo, Leonard!
4 minutes and 12 seconds.
Gi!
Reserve lang po, sir,
Gi,
ha?
kaya! Kaya!
4 minutes, 15 seconds to shoot. 3 points by Mr. Suarez Maynard. 49-46. Bumawi agad ang Nietzsche. Laban ng tatlo. 15 seconds to shoot. Time out ang NHA. 49-48. Lamang ng isa ang NHA po. Okay, I'd like to thank our SK Council of Barangay Balulang for our Panagtiki 3.0 Basketball League. 3 minutes and 39 seconds ang nabiling na oras. With our SK Chairman, Honorable Charles Date Piquero. Time for the timeout. Remaining time last 3 minutes and 39 seconds. With a score of 49-48. Lamang ng isa ang NHA Saint for the last quarter of our championship game. Sino ba ang maging champion? Ang NHA Saint ba or ang Eljas? 2 points by Patrick Suarez. 51-48. Iman to Mr. Dablo. Wala. Rebounded by Dughuan. Dughuan pass to Maynard.
Relax ka na, Bao!
Maynard nagmamadali siya. Pumasok siya. And nakalisod. 15 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. Naga. 2 points. Dughuan. NHA Labaw. Alright. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 53-48. Nakuha ni Iman. Substitution. Jersey number 0, Patrick Suarez. First is an foul. Third team foul. Another substitution, Iskilio in. $53-48. Lamang ang NHA. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 3 points. 51-53. Lamang na lang ng dalawa. 2 minutes, 5 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 55-51. 1 minute and 45 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. 1 minute and 30 seconds skill yun. 51-55 lamang ng apat ang Team NHA. Last touch. Dito, bola sa team. Time out.
Relax, unta kay 1 minute.
Eljas, time out. Isa-isa na lang time out ang both team ha. Isa-isa na lang. Time, last 1 minute and 23 seconds. Last 1 minute and 23 seconds. Our score is 55-51 in favor of NHA Saints. One minute and 23 seconds.
Yap.
1 minute and 23 seconds and our shot clock is 14 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock.
Dito maliwak yung tiin.
Wala.
Dito maliwak yung tiin.
2 points.
Dito maliwak yung tiin.
And 10 seconds. 53-55. Dong, ayaw ipahigda. 1 minute, 15 seconds to shoot. Seconds to play na lang po. 10 seconds. Pipito attempt. 2 points. 57-53. 45 seconds. My God. Last
Nagpalit na sumari.
2 points. 55-57. Dalawa lang lamang NHA. 35 seconds. 30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 15 seconds to shoot. 24 seconds. 24 seconds na lang po. 24 seconds. Paminaw mo sa announcement, no?
Enjoy na ba kung anak dito kunahan?
Isa-isa pa. 14 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 15 seconds, wala na. Shot clock, 10 seconds, 57 all. Foul. Isa-isa na ang timeout ang both team ha. 7 seconds. 5. Time is over. Okay, it's a decision making.
7 na.
Time is over. Pipito, challenged by Largo. Pumasok siya. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Imar. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 57 all. Eric, give me the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala. Nakuha ni Patrick. Naligas pa dyan. Jersey number 9. First is an foul. First team foul. Rain jersey number 37, Mr. Amper. Atong oras last 2 minutes and 27 seconds. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. 1 point. 58-57. No good. 58-57 lang po. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points. 60-58. Who's fouled up? Jersey number 31. Ay 21. Largo. Second person na foul. Second team foul. 60-58. Lamang ng dalawa ang NHA. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Wearing jersey number 0, Mr. Pipito. Nakuha ni Gomera. To Mr. Imar. Imar, dibdig the ball. 15 seconds to shoot, 2 minutes. To Mr. Amper, 10 seconds to shoot. Wala na pa ni Mr. Patrick. 1 minute and 50 seconds. To Mr. Duboy. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Nakuha ni Mr. Amper. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Our score is 60-58. Lamang NHA dalawa. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 3 points. 61. 1 minute and 19 seconds. 61-60. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Nakuha ni Amper. 1 minute. Seconds to play. 55 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 50 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 45 seconds. Okay. What's that rep? Foul jersey number 21. Mr. Largo. 41 seconds. Largo, third person of foul. 13 foul. 41 seconds na lang. Again, 41 seconds. Wala pa rep, wala pa. 13 fouls pa. 41 seconds. First team foul ang NHA, third ang Eljaz. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 27 seconds. Time out ang Team Eljaz. 25 seconds na lang po. 62-61. Lamang ng isa ang Team NHA. 25 seconds. Team foul sila. First pa. First team foul. Third team foul. 25 seconds. Wala na yung timeout ang Eljaz ha. Timeout consume. Isara, napay timeout isa ang NHA Saint. 62-61, nabilin nga oras. 25 seconds. Again, 25 seconds na lang. Ref. Wala. First, third. Wala pa yung penalty. 24 shot clock ni ref. 25 seconds. Ref, 24 seconds. Shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Grabe, walay foul! Wow! Wow, grabe! Grabe! Wow! Grabe, bawal
10
foul!
seconds na lang nabiling sa oras. 10 seconds na lang po. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Araw.
Grabe! Tulong ka tao!
Eljaz ang bola. Eljaz, 10 seconds. 10 seconds na lang. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Tulong ka tao! Nagtabang, way foul yan!
Oh, Eljaz. Wala na yung shot clock. Inirap ba? No more shot clock. 10 seconds na lang po. 10 seconds. Foul. Mr. Patrick, 7 seconds. Ay Mr. Maynard. First is na foul, second team foul. 7 seconds na lang. 7 seconds. 5. Congratulations, our champion for the Panagpili 3.0, NHAC!
Happy birthday!
Okay, of course, congratulations Justino for winning the second place for the Panagpili 3.0, sponsored by our SK Council of Barangay Balulang. What a nice game from